How your favorite videos magically appear on your screen? It all happens thanks to a secret language, a set of rules that computers follow. Today, we are going to unlock that secret code, known as the OSI model. So, what exactly is the OSI model? Think of it as a set of blueprints, or a 7-layer cake, that explains exactly how any two computers talk to each other, from sending a simple text to streaming a movie. Each layer has its own special task, making the whole process much easier to understand and troubleshoot. Starting at the very top, we have layer 7, the application layer. This is the part you're most familiar with. When you open your web browser, send an email, or use a chat app, you're interacting with the application layer. It's the friendly face of the internet, letting your apps talk to the network. Next down are the presentation and session layers. Layer 6, the presentation layer, is like a universal translator. It makes sure data from one computer can be understood by another, handling things like encryption and data formatting. Then comes layer 5, the session layer. This layer is all about managing the conversation itself, making sure it starts smoothly, stays active, and ends politely. Moving to layer 4, we have the transport layer. Imagine you are sending a big package. This layer is like the reliable shipping service. It makes sure all the pieces of your data arrive at the correct destination, in the right order, and without any missing parts. It handles things like breaking data into smaller segments and making sure they're reassembled perfectly. Now we're at layer 3, the network layer. This is the internet's GPS system. It figures out the best path for your data to travel from your computer to its destination, even if it's halfway around the world. It uses special addresses, like your IP address, to guide data packets through various networks, just like road signs guide cars. Next is layer 2, the data link layer. This layer is all about local communication. Think of it as the traffic controller for devices on the same street or in the same building. It makes sure data gets from your computer to your router, for example, using unique hardware addresses known as MAC addresses, and even catches some errors along the way. Finally, at the very bottom, we have layer 1, the physical layer. This is the tangible stuff. It's all about the actual wires, cables, Wi-Fi signals, and even the electrical pulses that carry the data. It defines how those raw bits, the 0s and 1s, are sent from one device to another through the physical world. So there you have it. The OSI model, broken down into its 7 distinct layers. From the applications you use daily to the physical cables connecting everything, each layer performs its specific job to make the internet work seamlessly. Understanding this model gives you a clearer picture of how digital communication truly happens. If you enjoyed this journey into networking, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy to understand tech explanations.